Hey everyone, my name is Ben, I'm from Belgium and welcome on my channel PressTube. Now in this video I'm gonna make the World Cup trophy. This is a 3D print that I printed on my 3D printer and I'm gonna make it in brass, but then a lot bigger than this print. I think it's 3 or 4 times bigger. Okay guys, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Okay guys, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please consider to give this a thumbs up. Now, this is the result. I hope you like it, guys. I will try and show it a little bit closer, but this is a very heavy trophy. I'm not sure how heavy the original one is, but this is, yeah, quite heavy. I'm gonna wait in just a moment on this scale, and then we will find out how much it weighs. Now, I'm gonna try and show it a little bit closer. I think the result is quite nice. I will turn it around for you guys, so you can see the back. Yeah, it's quite heavy. So I hope you like the result, guys. And yeah, this is the biggest cast that I ever done. As you saw in the video, my crucible was filled to the top and it was barely enough to fill the entire mold. So yeah, I was lucky my crucible was large enough. Now I will put it on this scale and see how much it weighs. Okay, so I'm gonna come around there, put it on the scale. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit on the scale now. Like this. I hope you can read it, guys. Okay, now let's turn on the scale. Not sure if you can read it. I'll zoom in a little bit. No, I'm gonna move the camera and then I'm gonna be back, guys. Okay, see you in just a moment. Okay, here we go. So it's 4 grams less than 11 kilograms, so it's quite heavy, guys. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any other ideas which I should cast in the future, just let me know in the comments below, and see you next time. Bye bye. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to check out my friend's YouTube channel, Siroop. I'll put a link in this corner. See you. Bye bye.